Greetings, people. This is Peace Digital, and today I am going to be demonstrating the progress that I've made on a game I'm making. This be the first, and should be a series of blogs and videos, hopefully. So yeah, I just want to preface this with saying that this is going to be my first game ever. I did try to make games way back in the day, but none of that ever worked out. So I'm pretty much re-exploring the field of game development. So this is be hopefully my first full game, first real game, and yeah, I hope you enjoy what you see. So I've been planning this for a while, a few weeks. Codename Function Arena. I have a, this is my documentation where I plan out the inputs, the attacks, what they do, how the meters work, how I envision the combat. I have a couple character profiles, some technical details about the actual stuff, and some other notes about things that I might want to look into. This is a player class, is pretty much the only script I have right now. There's like nothing else. There's no menu or anything. Pretty much just is super basic starting points. This is one I want to highlight a bit because I was informed recently, and I was not aware of this, because of floating point precision issues. You can't really use the Unity transforms directly, so I had to make it my own system for that. This is pretty much where the magic happens. Magic happens here as well, partially. Have this thing called custom transform, which has horizontal and vertical speed. Just a few integer values, so no floats, so everything should be okay on that front. Got a couple of enums. The direction state just indicates what direction the player is facing. Character state, things like being on the ground, crouch, and corner, etc., etc., etc. Inputs. Obviously, these is what happens when you press a button on the controller. These get turned on. And this is a class that just indicates what direction the joystick is being is doing. I think this will have other stuff, if I recall correctly. Yeah, it'll have other stuff. All right, so enough of the boring stuff. I'll just demonstrate it now. Their position right there. So like you saw, I'm not using the Unity physics at all. How the jump works. How the movement works. It is all just these sort of arbitrary values in the background, and they're just being applied to the transform. At 25%, I might add. It's like these numbers are kind of larger, all double digits, and so like the movement, if I just left them raw, would be quite big. So like the values being set for here for the X and Y are 25% of these values. So this is like 25% of the horizontal speed, the vertical speed, etc. Great. So that's what I have this far. No button inputs. I want to make like a dummy character before I work on the inputs, just so I can have something visual, see what to go by. Also, I want the scale of character. So yeah, that is what I have this far. Gonna be like what you see. I'm gonna try and maintain progress or a blog on Medium or something to log my progress. And if you want to keep up with that, I'd appreciate it. If you want to give advice, I appreciate that as well. Accept any discouragement from me working on this game. I will not be accepting that advice. I'm going to work on this game. Except that is it. As a side note, I chose Unity for development because I found it comfortable to work with. C# is comfortable to work with. As a someone who has worked with JavaScript for 3 going on 4 years now, I find C# to be pretty comfortable, and in some ways a bit easier. Yeah, C# is, I feel like C# is a little bit easier than JavaScript in some regards. Then it also gets a bit tedious. It's a trade-off, but it's good. I would have tried Unreal, but C++ is a daunting thing, and apparently blueprints are not something you want to use in normal development, apparently. So Unity was just the way to go. Yeah, but that's all I have to say now. Hope you like what you saw. Look forward to the next update.